So effective length is the 0.85 L, that is the table 6 from table 6.4. So given in your book. From book. Now 0.85 into 3, that is the meter, that is the 2550 mm. So L by R, that is the lambda, that is slenderness ratio, lambda equal to L upon R. So 2550 upon 19.5, so equal to 130.769, that is the less than 350, that is the less than 350. This is the maximum slenderness ratio which are the permissible. Okay, so here it says that is the used as a strut in. Okay, so here you have already studied that is the slenderness ratio, that is the maximum is the 350, that should not exceed. If it exceed, then we have to redesign the section, or the question may be wrong, but anywhere you have to solve that. So now from table 6.3 of table 5.1, table 5.1 of IS 800 1984. So for lambda equal to 130, for lambda equal to 130, Fy equal to 250, the permissible stress has been given, that is the 57 Newton per mm square. Okay, so your lambda equal to 130.769, so you can take it, you can take it. But if you are going for the more precision or more exact value, so you have to calculate for the lambda equal to 130.769, 130.769. So for that you have to calculate. So now for given value for Fy equal to 250, lambda equal to 130, given 57 for lambda equal to 140 and Fy equal to 250, the given equal to 51 Newton per mm square. So now we have to calculate the permissible stress for 130.769. Okay, for sometimes for your problems, if there is a 0.769, so you may take 57 or you may take 57. Okay, but if you are going for the more exact or exact solution, so for that you have see that 57, that is the for lambda equal to 130, and this is for lambda equal to 140. See that when lambda increase, permissible stress decrease. When lambda increase, permissible stress decrease. So 130.769 means the value will be less than 57. So now let's start. So for lambda, here we have to put the value of lambda equal to 130, that is the 57 minus. Okay, so see that the difference between the, see here we have to calculate lambda 130, lambda 140, Fy for Fy 250 permissible stress, that is the sigma AC, that is the 57, and this is the 51. So see that the difference is the 10. Difference is the 10. Now for the each point we are going to calculate the what is the difference for each point. So 57 minus 51 upon 10. So we are going to file for 1 point, and now here for 0.7, so difference is the हमें कितना निकाला 0.769 का. So here multiplied by 0.769. So हमें कितना 0.769 का वैल्यू पता चल जाएगा कितनी वो है. हम यहाँ पे क्या कर रहे हैं कि एक पॉइंट का वैल्यू निकाल रहे हैं, उसमें से 0.769 का मल्टीप्लाइड कर दे रहे हैं, तो 0.769 का वैल्यू पता चल जाएगा. और जो 0.769 का होगा वो 57 में से घटा देंगे, क्योंकि क्या हो रहा है कि 130 से 140 की तरफ घट रहा है, 57 से क्या हो रहा है 51 हो रहा है, ये डिक्रीज कर रहा है. ओके, जैसे लेमडा इंक्रीज कर रहा है वैसे हमारा सिग्मा AC डिक्रीज कर रहा है. सो 57 माइनस, सो इसकी 0.769 की जो वैल्यू आई फॉर लेमडा, 0.769 की जो वैल्यू आई कितनी आई 0.4614. सो हमने 57 में से 0.4614 घटा दिया है, तो बच्चा क्या सिग्मा AC इक्वल टू 56.5386, 53.5386. नाउ अगेन स्ट्रेंथ ऑफ मेंबर, again force, this is the force, that is nothing but that is the force. As you know, force equal to stress into area. So 56.53 into area, that is the 1167. So you can calculate here. So now for second condition says when member are connected by one rivet at each end. So from table 6.4 again we are going to find here. So here single angle connected with one rivet. So here effective length is the 1L and the allowable compressive strength is the 0.8 sigma AC. So now effective length is the 1L. Now permissible stress is the 0.8 sigma AC. So effective length is the 1 into L. So 1 into 3, that is the 3 meter. So we are going to find the slenderness ratio lambda equal to LFR to L, that is the 3000 upon 19.5. So here lambda is the 153.846, that is the less than 350, means unsafe. So now here are going to calculate. Now calculate the stress for lambda equal to 153.86 and Fy कितना given है, that is the 250. So from table 6.3 for lambda equal to 150 sigma AC, that is the permissible, that is the 45, and for lambda equal to 160, that is the 41, because it's lies 153.846. So now we have to calculate 153.846. 150 का वैल्यू पता है 45 और 160 कितनी है 41. सो क्या हो रहा है, लेस हो रहा है, वैल्यू लेस हो रहा है. तो हमें कितना 3.846 का यदि हम पता करके 45 में से यदि घटा दे तो काम हो जाएगा. So now here, so for lambda equal to 153.86, so here, so value कितना हो गया 45, that is the for lambda 150 minus, अब हम कितना के सिर्फ हम कितना नहीं 3.846 के लिए कैलकुलेट कर रहे हैं. तो एक पॉइंट के लिए कैलकुलेट करते 45 माइनस 41 अपॉन 10, ओके, मल्टीप्लाइड बाई 153.86 माइनस 150. ओके, सो यहाँ पे मुझे चेक करना पड़ेगा, वी हैव टू चेक इट अगेन. ओके, परहैप्स इट्स ट्रू, दैट इज द 50, इट्स राइट. 45 माइनस जो इसकी वैल्यू आई, दैट इज द 1.544. सो 45 माइनस 1.544,